We had registered an FIR 30 of 2023 this year, in which there was an allegation by a psychiatrically disabled lady that she was sexually assaulted at different locations in Kalangot area. On the basis of that complaint, we had registered an FIR of 376D and we had taken up the investigation. All the procedures were followed. Now the latest update is the lady, the victim, was asked to give her statement before magistrate under section 164 CRPC, in which the victim is free to give her statement without any pressure or in the absence of any police officer or anybody, where the magistrate apprises that she is free from any pressure or anything. She is free to give her statement. She is appraised initially before giving the statement, and in that statement the victim has stated that nothing has happened to her. She has having some mental instability which our doctors in the IPHB has treated, and she has ascertained that she is mentally fine and no incident of the sort which she had alleged in the FIR has not happened. So the allegations of gang rape which was there as of now could not be substantiated. Adding to that point, we asked her sister also to come and help her. The sister came all the way from Delhi and she came here, and she has also was part of the investigation, in which the sister said she had issues of psychiatric problems initially also, in which she used to have some hallucinations, and she was married and having a kid, and kid is staying with the sister. So the sister has been asked to take care of that. The complainant victim herself wanted, she wanted to go with the sister, and after following all the procedures, the victim has been repatriated with her. From last 3 to 4 years, she has been roaming to quite a few places. She goes to Mumbai, she goes to other places, I believe. So in that way, she came to Goa as well.
Hello.
So that 6 people have been arrested in the same case. What happened to them? कुछ 6 लोगों को arrest किया था ना कुछ?
No one was arrested. In fact, during the course of investigation, we tried to get more and more evidences and facts, but we got to know like there were incoherency in the statements given by the complainant, and there was no evidences supporting her claim. But sometimes she was saying some facts, and in the next time when she was asked to give some other statement, so she was asked to give more evidences, she was actually changing the statement. So then the doctor said it's better to have her treated properly. Then we waited for the treatment. Once it was made sure that she is psychologically stable to give the statement, then we asked her to join the investigation, and in which later she gave the statement that in this incident nothing has happened.